Hello everyone, this is Utkarshvi, the efficient Voyager, and in this video, I'm going to show you the hospitality and the grand heart of Uzbekistani people. So watch till the end. So I happened to talk to some ladies over here, and they are now giving me an entry into this university. Namaste, yeah. I'm Hindustan.
Yeah, Hindustan.
Yeah, Jimmy Jimmy and all this Bollywood.
Jimmy, Jimmy. Hello, my brother. You're working here. His name is Jokir.
Hey, pleasure meeting you, man.
Come on.
Huh?
Come on.
Thank you. Oh, lovely.
And now we head to the hall where the performance is happening.
Today is my last day in Uzbekistan, so
Really?
yeah, I loved it. I loved it. This country has a university in music. We have only vocational colleges in music. We don't have a music university by any chance. So this nice teacher from Uzbekistan not only took me to the class where they were performing, they actually sang a song for me. They told about the music of Lata Mangeshkar and other things. Okay, this is one of the famous universities in music, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, lovely. Just lovely.
They play the piano or some ensemble.
Lovely.
Lata Mangeshkar мы проходим, правда? She played Lata...
Lata Mangeshkar?
Yeah,
Wow, who? You?
Kim Chalo.
Wow.
Ой, это... Sensiz kalbim kaldı. Ayhan batar, quyoshim batar, o'tayotir arzular. Bu ko'nglimning ko'chalari ko'p, kirib chiqar xayol berma-bir. Shomlar kelib, tun ro'mol yoyar, chiroq yoqsang yorishmas hozir. Shomlar kelib, tun ro'mol yoyar, chiroq yoqsang yorishmas hozir. Sen qaydasan, qaydasan erkan, o'tayotir umr so'llar. Sen qaydasan, qaydasan erkan, sensiz qalbim qoldi huvillar.
Nice song. Thank you very much. People over here are very nice. Some girls out of just the curiosity of a photo, the teacher actually let me in, and they let me inside this university. Let me know what this means. I guess somebody told me, but yeah, this is so beautiful. Yeah. This makes my day. This really made my day. Lovely parks ahead, universities, and we're going to the stadium now. So, think having things, experience things and discovering by accident. So when I asked them what exactly this is, they said, "Can't you hear the music?" So that's what they're saying in Uzbeki. I said, "Okay." The girls are little, they're shy. I can feel the vibes of autumn over here. So beautiful. This is so beautiful. Yeah. Trespassing in a university. Well, in India, it would have landed me with a principal calling cops or something of that sort, but here they are very happy. But okay, no worries. Simply our music, and I'll post it online, and I just hope it reaches the maximum viewership. This country got independent in just 25 years ago, and the kind of infrastructure and everything they have will definitely keep you mesmerized and spellbound. Watch my entire vlogs for all the entire details and itinerary. So, Uzbekistan is one of the least discovered places from India. People don't really know about this place. There are no tours as such, but watch through all my videos and stay tuned for my remaining vlogs. I'll give across how exactly you can travel this place. I covered the entire country in just 7 days for 16,000 rupees, and I'm not kidding. I'll share you with the complete itinerary. Flights are separate, but those are not that expensive at all. Also, do like, subscribe, and share. I'll share the content across the breakup and everything, how you can go from place to place. This country has a very good hospitality. They love Indians, they love the Bollywood culture, they have grown up watching it, and wherever you go, they definitely talk about it. So, you will definitely have a great time. Cover different places as I share across, and whenever you go over there, spread smiles and be very open and embrace the culture over there, because you will definitely be spellbound of how great this country is, and is very different from the other countries. Here you are not as a tourist but as a family member. So this place definitely is great in my heart, and I'll definitely embrace it, and I'll try to go once
The
again.
efficient Voyager.
Stay tuned and watch my vlogs.
Utkarsh.
Till then, take